So hey guys, what's up? It's Steph and currently it's day 11 I think of the community quarantine, and I'm about to do something I swore I'd never do. Yeah, I'm doing TikTok. Okay, I guess you either die a hero or live long enough to see yourself become the villain. So it's actually become a thing, an unspoken bucket list of sorts, of things you succumb to because the whole world's in community quarantine. Like, there was this Instagram bingo going around. Actually, there are a lot of Instagram bingos going around, and I think it summarizes what I'm trying to say. So as you can see, I've already gotten a bingo, but of course, let's not stop there. Let's try TikTok. And I'm below average at dancing, but a lot of influencers have been saying that it's actually a pretty good workout. So, you know, I haven't moved at all. I haven't tried any of those home workout routines, so this is my chance to get up and going, you know? So I guess let's start dancing. So this is my account. I don't even have a profile picture yet. So I've already browsed TikTok, so I saved some of the music that I like. I also want to try this. Let's try on my iPad since it's bigger. So as soon as I opened TikTok on my iPad, it went to this song with a tutorial. So I guess let's do that. Maybe it's like a sign from the universe to try this out, you know? Like whoa. Let's try filming one. I don't know. Maybe I'm not prepared, but let's see. Well, I kind of look prettier. Is there already a filter? Okay, so there's sounds. Okay, I can see the sounds now. Favorite. So I just favorited the treasure. Let's try it. Okay. Now I guess we'll shoot. Maybe. I think. I don't know. Oh my god, it's already started! Oh no! Stop. Wait, this is so cringy, I can't. What is that? You can't freestyle stuff. What the? Okay, so I'm gonna be real with you guys. I thought this would be fun. I don't know, like, oh, I tried TikTok for the first time and you guys can see how awkward I am, but at the same time, I will learn so fast because I don't know, when I was in 4th year high school, I was a part of a musical where we had to dance, you know, where there were dancing parts. So I thought I would do pretty okay, but as we are seeing, I'm not doing okay at all. But then again, like that whole musical, that was practiced like in a span of months, so yeah, so I overestimated myself, basically. And now you will all see me look like an idiot because content, you know? Oh my god. I didn't put the music, wait. No, stop. Idiot. Let's do this again. Preparing to look cute before I eventually move out because apparently they include that. Hey, my hair looks good, huh? Who's texting me? I'm trying to TikTok. Okay, that was kind of decent, maybe. Okay, so judgment time. That was cute. Okay, that's kind of pwede. Okay, what was that? Delete. Why did I think this was okay? We're gonna change songs now because this is not it. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, I'm sweating. I'm gonna. Didn't even notice my punches. Keep me focused. Why don't you see? That seems easier. Okay. Didn't even notice my punches. Okay, it's review time. Okay, like I see the effort I'm trying with that cutesy, like I'm cute, but that cute can't disguise how bad I am. Okay, that was cute, and okay, it all went downhill from there. Alright, let's try one more Doja Cat. Then maybe let's try something else, okay? Oh my god, I'm so sweaty now. Okay, this is a workout, see? So, it's not entirely a fail. I got to work out. The phone rang. Okay, so oh my god, I'm so sweaty, but yeah. Okay, so I think we can all agree that I can't dance. So yeah, now we're gonna do something that's not dancing. Because like the goal here is to upload something on TikTok. Something not cringy, because the internet's forever. And also, if somebody's gonna data mine it, it better be like a nice video, like a funny video, you know? Like it has to be not cringy. Not cringy, let's go. Okay. Okay, so we are back sitting on the floor because we're not doing dancing anymore. Alam mo, like ayos pa ako, like I spent maybe 30 minutes trying to pick out the outfit na parang saktong effort lang, pero ayoko magpambahay, pero like hindi ako masyado nag-effort. Alam mo yun, like sayang ng outfit. Oh my god, I wanna do this. Talk like that. I wanna go man. But I can't dance. So, no. Alam nyo guys, like, okay, like next week or maybe next week. Basta, I'll practice until I can finally get the dances right, okay? I'm going to do this for us. For Shakira. I wanted to do that dance. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then, like this. And then pout. I can do that. I can do that. We're finally gonna have a TikTok, ladies and gentlemen. We can do this. We can do this. Okay. 5. That was so bad, okay? I don't even want to look at it. That was so bad. That was so bad. It's so hard. My arms are aching from an iPad. My god, first world problems. But kasi di mo gawin yung phone mo, Steph? That's a very good question. It's charging. Okay. It's so bad, guys. You can see the uncertainty in my eyes. I can't stop. Okay, last one. Come on, let's go. Why does it not move when I want it to move? We have given up. Okay. Now I'm gonna play a game. Because maybe, just maybe, I can do that. So I wanna do this. So I am gonna be able to use the Shakira song if I can play a game. Because I can't dance. I can't make cute expressions. And now I have to play a game. Let's see. Shakira. Bex. This one. I died. That's funny. So it's official. I give up. Okay, so honestly, I thought TikTok would be easy because like people make it look so easy, but it's really hard. Personally, I won't be posting anything because everything's cringy. So this video was all for nothing. So moving forward, I think the best plan of action would be to practice more. You're not a genius at dancing, Steph. I don't know why you thought that. So yes, now I shall practice. And maybe, just maybe, you will see a TikTok video of me if I succeed. So I'll be honest, like this video for trying to do TikTok has been in the back burner for a while. I mean, ever since TikTok blew up. But at first, I wanted to do it ironically. But as you can see, like right now, I really do want to do it. Like I really want to achieve the TikTok greatness that the others have. But well, before this whole quarantine anyway, like there was like this stigma around TikTok that, oh, you're cringy, or you're doing what everyone else is doing if you do that. I don't know, for me, like, what's the point, I guess? Just because you don't do something, you know, that's not a personality trait. Like, you know how there are people who are like, I am strong because I have never watched a single Game of Thrones episode, even though all my friends like it. Like, dude, that's not an accomplishment. Although, if I can be honest, I haven't watched a single episode of Game of Thrones. But my point is, like, I don't wear it as a badge of honor. Like, here's a badge of honor that I never tried this one thing everyone tried, and somehow that makes me feel special. Like, if that's the only thing that makes you feel special, then I really think you should, like, look into that. But it's fun, okay? Like, conclusion, TikTok is fun, and if you're gonna, like, judge me for it, then fine, judge me for it. I'll still be affected, but I'm putting up a really brave front right now. But I'll definitely be affected if you judge me. So that's it for this video, and if you're not super cringed out by me yet, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!